Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start immediately. Power down or stop audio so nothing moves. This reduces sudden feedback. Hold the AirPod by the stem with one hand and use your thumb and forefinger to pinch the rubber tip at its wide base. You're not pulling the mesh, so make sure you grasp where the tip meets the shell. Then, apply a gentle counterclockwise twist while pulling straight away from the housing. The twist releases the locking ring, and steady small motions prevent tearing or deforming the silicone. Once the tip is off, inspect the plastic locking ring and the ear tip's interior so you know why removal may have been tight. If you see wax or grit, use a dry, soft brush to dislodge loose particles, then lightly dampen a lint-free cloth with 70% isopropyl to wipe the ring. Never soak it. Make sure you clean outward from the center to avoid forcing debris into the speaker. If grime is stubborn, let a small amount of alcohol evaporate before reassembly to avoid residue. To finish, align the ear tip's locking ring over the AirPod stem, press straight on until you feel or hear a click. This confirms the seal. Once attached, perform an ear fit check and play a short audio clip to confirm sound and noise cancellation. If a tip won't seat or is stuck on the stem, warm it slightly with your breath to soften the silicone. Alternatively, use a thin plastic pry tool to lift gently while rotating. If problems continue, replace the tip to avoid damaging the locking ring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.